We are Redmagic 5G gaming smartphone global distributor. Meanwhile, we are Xiaomi global distributor. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of gaming smartphones, Redmagic 5G, you can contact with us. Redmagic 5G have 4 colors: pure color, red and blue color, black color, and red color. Full red color. The last color is transparent version. We have global long version and full global version in our warehouse. Okay, let's continue to review the new arrival, the flagship gaming smartphone of Redmagic in 2020. Here is cooler fans. Another side is also cooler fans. Supports all Google applications. Google Play Store. Cooling fan. Power the phone. Blue color, 6GB RAM, 256GB ROM. Supports multi-language menus. It supports dual SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Headphone jack. It is a 6.65-inch analog LED display, and its screen refresh rate is 144 Hz refresh rate. Very fast. Android 10 operating system. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core 2.84 GHz. 128GB ROM, 8GB RAM, or 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 12GB RAM, or 16GB RAM. Its front camera is 8 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and its main camera are 16 megapixel f1.8 aperture 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Battery built-in is 4500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 50 watt fast charging. Full charging, the battery only need 40 minutes. Fingerprint under the display. 3.0 Type-C USB port. Supports NFC. It's color box. Manual warranty certificate, manual warranty card, and Type-C 55 watt Type-C charger. Cable. The phone can work in every country.